Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the November mystery reveal. I'm very excited for this one. I am definitely using this kit in, well, I don't actually know. It's either going to be January or March. I haven't decided yet. Please let me know when you're going to use it in the comments down below. But I've just been so happy with the mystery kits this year. And we are currently printing March, which is a banger. I feel like every month, I am so excited about. But y'all, I feel like it just keeps getting better and better and better. And I feel like this year was an attribution? I don't know. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. To that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go over the ultimate first. And it is a spring cleaning kit. I love this art style and I love the vibes of this. Let me show you closer because it's just so pretty. So you have a bedroom scene, which is so beautiful. I feel like these colors, they remind me a lot of the mystery from last year that was like self-care, where their colors, not the same colors, but they're like, they give you that like, I don't know, it's like a crisp, almost like you smell like lavender and everything's clean and fresh and zen. And I love like a fresh made bed. It looks like the pillows were like slightly like chopped. Oh, so good. Then you have some cleaning supplies here. And I just love like the realism, the donate bin, the cleaning supplies here. Actually, I'm supposed to be cleaning like in November because it's very, very like kind of like getting ready for Christmas. Then we have the home edit workbook with like the gloves and some flowers, the lavender, and then a really beautiful kind of like modern, almost like slightly farmhouse, but bathroom. I love it with like the subway tile. Oh, and the shiplap. I just love it so much. And I love these colors. They're so like, they're bright, but they're like very like spring cleaning. So spring, end of winter kind of vibes. I feel like this would be really pretty in January. I feel like you could even add like snowflakes to it and give it like a January like New Year clean. Then you have the extra boxes here. So you have holding a Dyson vacuum cleaner and then holding a little pail with cleaning supplies in it. And I just love these colors. Let me know what foil you plan to pair this with. I thought hollow would be really pretty. It kind of brings out the like purple and blue shift in hollow. And then you have like a little cleaning bucket with those beautiful flowers. The terrazzo, I think, works perfectly with this. You have the extra color, which is a darker purple. Let me show you how it differs from the other colors. And then you have the doodles, the ombre hair checklist, and then the extra boxes here with the girl cleaning and then holding the vacuum in the other skin tone options. And then a really cute planner with a spring cleaning checklist with like the little doodles in the background with the tweezers. I just thought it was so cute with the little flowers. Obsessed. And then let me show you the foil that comes with the ultimate. So you do have the confetti and hollow. So this is perfect. You can either use it with this kit. I think it really is nice with this kit because it is just like very simple. It's not going to take away from the art. I feel like you almost need something with this that's going to like keep to the vibes of being like clean and tidy. And I feel like just a couple confetti sprinkles of hollow is going to just kind of accent it versus like take it over. So you do have the 2 pages here that have the full boxes and the header overlays. You have the bougie boxes here, 2 pages of those. And then you have the icons and scripts as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date dots, and the 15mm overlays. And I am so obsessed with this. I kind of like really want to do like a mock spread with it to like post on the website because I think it's just going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous spread. And like, see how like in the hollow you can see like the blue purple kind of shift in it? I think it really leans to these colors in particular. So love that. So that is the ultimate kit. You can no longer get it though. So if you are looking for it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade and see if anybody is selling theirs and you might be able to snag one. And I'll show you the mini kit option, which is our more affordable option. You do get the same full boxes page, deco, glitter headers. This is the mini kit label page, the bottom washi, and then you get like this as a freebie page. So you have like the label sampler, the extra color, and the ombre hair checklist, as well as a little matte foil freebie. So that is everything for this month. I hope y'all love it. If you are not subscribed and want to subscribe, new spots will be available on the 1st, and that will be for a completely new theme, but our themes are always exclusive art, and I try and keep them fresh. The ultimate kits always come with a foil bundle and the ultimate kit, and then the mini kits come with, and then the ultimate kit plus the 2 like mystery pages. And then this mini kit always comes with a mini kit format plus the like freebie page that has label sampler and then a little foil freebie in the back. So that, my friends, is everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any other foil pairing ideas or some like ideas as like underlays you would put with this, let me know in the comments down below. I was almost thinking like subway tile from Plan Ahead would be really, really pretty and hollow, but y'all let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you on my next one.